Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Languages with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and today I'm with 7 verbs in Italian that start with let me. So let's begin. Iniziamo. Our first phrase is fammi finire. Fammi finire, let me finish. Now, their fammi in English is let me and finire is finish. Next phrase is fammi iniziare. Fammi iniziare. Fammi means let me and iniziare means start. Fammi, let me, iniziare, start. Let me start. If you want to repeat them, you can pause the video and repeat them 1 or 2 times. Make sure you remember them today and use them in your daily routine. Next phrase is fammi vedere, let me see. Fammi vedere, let me see. Fammi again, let me. Fammi means let me and vedere, see. Fammi vedere, let me see. Next one is fammi parlare. Fammi parlare, let me speak. Fammi, let me. Parlare, speak. Fammi parlare, let me speak. Now let's move on to our next phrase. If you liked the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. Next one is fammi fare. Fammi fare, let me do. Fammi, let me, fare, do. Fammi fare, let me do. If you want to repeat them, then please pause the video and repeat them 1 or 2 times. Next one is fammi pensare. Fammi pensare. Fammi, let me, pensare, think. Pensare, think. Fammi pensare, let me think. I'm again saying, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day Italian videos so you can practice your Italian with me every day. Next one is fammi andare. Fammi andare, let me go. Fammi, let me. Andare, go. I hope you all get familiar to fammi today because this one is simple and short one to remember. Fammi, let me, andare, go. And if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.